So Mer'Ida, better known to the rest of the galaxy as the Delphidian Wanderer, is in need of an upgrade. I'm going to be putting in an auxiliary hyperdrive monitoring system. Where's it going to go? Right here. Where else? So I'm getting to work on this project. This is something that has been on my back burner for quite some time. This was actually the first Star Wars inspired thing I was planning on doing, but things led to things. First thing is to get the visor taken apart. It used to have a cloth covering, but the cloth and the padding has been removed because I was having a problem with my visor was flopping down, and that's how I came up with the idea to Star Warsify this, because I figured it's a part. I have electronics in it, because it's got the little vanity light. Why not use it? So here we go. Pull it apart. Tie into the electric that's going through this switch to here. Alright, so I'm in. I have my post that the visor mounts onto, and I'm going to get this black end off so that way I can get to the wires inside, and then I'll make a pigtail of those wires, and that way I can solder my LEDs onto that. Once I have this done, then it's just a matter of gluing a bunch of greeblies on the front of it and getting the wires ready to go. Garbage. My paper towels should be where my paper towels should be. Wish I knew where my flux was. Basic electronics are done. Well, I got a pigtail wired on. That's about it. But it was tough to get into that access to the wires. Now I'm going to put the post back in the visor, so that way I know where that is and how to work around it. I might take the extension bit out. I don't know where my wires need to go. Yep. Nothing says the switch has to be a certain way, does it? No. I like it that way. It's going to stay that way. a lot of the basic assembly's done. Now I just got to put the LEDs in, wire them up. Hopefully it works. I got it to fit, sort of. It's not perfect. I think I'm going to throw a couple screws. There it is. Now we just need to see what it looks like when it's running. Now it's time to go put it back in the Delphidian Wanderer, Mer'Ida. Well, we're wired up. The visor's in. Moment of truth.
As you can see, I added classic Star Wars pinstriping to complete the look.
Hey everybody, thanks for checking out my video. My monitoring system's in, ready to go. Hyperdrive should work. Like and subscribe, come back, check me out again. Make sure you create something every day. Alright, some tunes going. Monitoring system up. Watch this. It's not my fault! Oh.